For dividends and passive income investors, it's very important for you to know dates for your dividends, because if you don't know those dates, you're going to miss a lot of dividend payments. So if you sell too early, you're going to miss your dividends, and if you buy too late, you're going to miss your dividends. And that's why on this video, in this video today, I'm going to give you an update on Tesla yield ETF from Papers Investment, when they're going to pay dividends, so you don't miss the dividend payment, because the dividend is very attractive. And also I'm going to give you a little bit of basic of the dates, so you can be aware of the important dates for your income. So let's start with the announcement from Papers. This, by the way, this is Tesla Yield Share Papers ETF, YTSL. This is the Tesla that is traded on the New York Exchange in Toronto. This is Canadian Tesla. I mean, it's a Tesla, but the ETF is provided by a Papers Investment, which is Canadian company. For those who are Yield Max Tesla Option Income ETF from Yield Max. Also, this is about to announce the dividends, so just make sure, if you haven't hit the notification button, just make sure you do so. And if you haven't subscribed, just make sure you subscribe, because whenever there's a news on this Tesla or any other income paying ETFs, I always keep you up to date on that. So that's what I can ask you to do for me. If we go at the announcement, the Papers Investment Inc. Is pleased to announce distribution for the month of May 2023 for its open-ended exchange trade fund and closed-end fund. So the ex-distribution date for all ETFs is May 26, 2023. Of course, if you invest on Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, those will have the 29th will be the ex-dividend date. So we are focusing on the May 26th, because this is what we are talking about today. So there is May 26th. If you look at this chart here, if you look at this graph or whatever columns, you can see there's distribution. There is a distribution per unit, how much they're going to pay. You look at the record date. We look at the payable date, and we'll look at frequency, how often do they pay. So the main important date here, we look at it 26. So if you haven't buy Tesla ETF, you, first of all, you're not going to get dividends if you don't buy it. But if you want to buy and you want to get those dividends, right? When can you receive the dividends? When is it too late? So I'm going to explain to you here today. We look at the because there's so many dates, so it's kind of confusing sometimes, but I'm going to make it as simple. I'm going to simplify this. So May 26th is ex-dividend date. You need to be on the record on 29, and payable date is on the 7th of June. And let's look at the actual Tesla itself, which is Tesla Yield Share Papers ETF, YTSL. The price as of today was $20.82. How much are they going to pay? They're going to pay about 31 cents. If we look what they pay last month, look at that. So since January, they've been paying pretty much the same thing, right? 31 cents pretty much, or we round up with 31 cents. So they haven't changed much when it comes to their payment. So this is a really good indication, because it shows that they are committed to paying these dividends. And for you as an investor, it's very good to know that you are going to have this amount. So you expect exactly, so you can have a good calculation for your income. So look, let's open a calendar here. If I open a calendar, I can see here there's they said they're going to pay on the June 7th, but you have to be on the record in 29th, and the ex-dividend date will be in the 26th. So the way it works is this: if X dividend date on 26, that means you have to purchase the stock or ETF before, one day before. So tomorrow is your last day. You have to buy the Tesla. You have to buy this YTSL, which is Tesla Yield Shares Purpose ETF. I just don't like the name, but whatever it is, what it is. You have to buy tomorrow, because you only have tomorrow, and ex dividend date will be in the 26th. So if you are owning this stock right now, if you own this ETF and you want to sell, you have to sell. You cannot sell tomorrow. You have to sell on Friday or on Monday, because if you sell before ex dividend date, you are not going to get the dividends. And if you buy, so when you want to buy, you have to buy before ex dividend date, and then if you want to sell, you have to sell after ex dividend date. That's as simple as that. And then you'll be on the record on Monday, and you're going to get your payment on the 7th. That's how it works. Simple as that. For TSLY, this one also is going to announce dividends soon, and I'm going to update you on that. So yeah, I think that's it. I just want to make this video to kind of keep you update on Tesla Yield Purpose ETF, when they're going to pay the dividend, and when are important dates for you as passive income investor to remember. That's it. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time, just make sure to subscribe, because you're going to learn a lot from this channel. Bye bye.